Hi, welcome back to another video about Google Education, and today we are going to see how to use Google Slide. So you are on the Google web page and you go on the 9 little dots, you click on Slide. And Slide is basically PowerPoint, so you can use it to make some presentations. So once again, the titles go here, so you can name it and give it title. Add some pages here, and you can change the background with colors or images, or you can use some of their ideas. And yeah, so just go explore it, and as Google Docs and Sheets, you can just share it with anybody you need to share it with.